Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today's video is slightly different than some of my other videos. Today I will be doing a monthly recap of the previous month's project. I thought this was kind of an interesting idea. I know a lot of people are really busy and they probably don't have time to watch every single one of my videos. So I decided to kind of put together a compilation at the end of every month, or so I will try, but it'll just kind of recap the projects that I did for the previous month. A very general, brief overview, so if you see something you like, you can go check out the actual tutorial. But I just thought I would try something new and different, and if folks don't like it, well then, of course, I will no longer do it. But anyway, so here's just kind of a recap of the projects I did. I had 3 this previous month that I did. This was a really cool one, I thought. I love the Skinner blend that I did, that I made kind of a little rainbow multi-pattern there. Came out really cool, and it had some clay that had some glitter in it, so I always enjoy a little bit of sparkle in my pieces. And of course, you know, if you've watched any number of my videos, I tend to chop, roll, and dice quite a bit, and then kind of roll it up into a little swirl pattern, because that's just what I do. So I did it in this one. I really like the end result. It's kind of fun, and I just love all of the beautiful colors in there. And really, you can do this with any colors that you think would look good together. And then what would be one of my projects without scrap clay? I just took a bunch of random colors, mixed them up, and got this rather pretty gray color, I would say. And it makes an excellent stuffer for the inside of beads or any necklace you're gonna make that you're not gonna be able to see. Or also just a plain backing to a pair of earrings, a necklace, really anything. And I do love the shave off method. I do this in quite a few of my videos too. Kind of mush everything together and then shave off pieces. And again, I love cutting out my own shapes. That way I can control the design and the pattern and the shapes and kind of how my necklace comes together, or even my earrings. And instead of buying a new cutter every time I need one, I just make my own because it's cheaper. And look at those, it's so shiny and pretty and has swirlies. I love it, it's so cool. That is the first project I did this previous month of October. For this next one, I love the green and black look. Maybe that's just me, I don't know. I really like it. And of course, I'll be using scraps from the previous video. See, everything's just connected. You have to watch each one of my videos. And of course, just roll it out. This is gonna be inside of the clay, so you're not gonna be able to see it. So you can mix it as much as you want or as little as you want. And then of course you're gonna cover it with whatever cane that you have. In this video, I did not show how to make the cane. I actually did that in a previous video. So I will leave links to all of the videos and the cane making videos in the description box for you. And you kind of fold it up like a taco. It isn't like a taco. Taco. And of course, just making do with some handy dandy tools that you might have laying around. Nothing fancy here. I keep it nice and simple. And then of course, just throw some regular beads with whatever project you're doing with clay, and it goes absolutely perfect. And this last one that I did for the previous month is kind of something fun and funky and fresh. And these were also scraps that I used for the cane in the previous video. So, always trying to reuse my scraps. This necklace kind of reminds me of like something alienish or like a worm or something. I don't know. It's kind of fun and different, and that's kind of what I like to go for. Just trying my hand at different things. You never really know what you're going to come up with or what other people might enjoy watching on this land of YouTube. And this red clay that I used, it's beautiful when it's not baked, but then you bake it and it becomes very, very dark. You'd have to check out the original video and the packaging on that to find out the color, because I cannot remember. I think it was called crimson, but I could be wrong. But I love this color when it's not baked. It actually looks really good with the final product, so it worked out. Scrap clay covered with solid colored clay. I mean, you just really can't go wrong. And it's as simple as that. And then I added these little droplets of resin on there. I thought it further added a very nice detail. And that concludes my monthly recap. Again, I will leave links in the description box below. If you're still watching at this point and you're new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you here every Tuesday. Please drop me a note, and I do try and respond to all of my comments. I appreciate each and every one of you very, very much, and I enjoy your comments and your support. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!